Hello friends, welcome to my new YouTube channel. This is Education Times. Today I will make a series CPA marketing. First I'm saying what is CPA marketing? What do you mean by CPA marketing? CPA marketing is a cost per action marketing. Now I'm going to procedure of CPA marketing step by step. At first, create a email account using Yahoo. Now I'm going to creating email address Yahoo. Now press sign up. Enter your first name, last name, email address, password and phone number, date of birth or gender, and continue. Now you get a email account. But I have an email account, that's why I am going to my Yahoo mail. This is my Yahoo email account. Now I'm showing to another part. Create a 5 email account using Gmail. Go to Gmail. Look at this option. Create your Google account. And click next. Enter your phone number and select your recovery email. At first I am create an email using Yahoo. Now I am provide this email account. Now I'm provide this mobile number, date of birth, gender, and next. Address. And this email address is created. And this email address is copy and notebook. And make 5 email and always use your optional email. Now we are talking about traffic source. You know that Facebook is a social network using a lot of people, so it's a best part of marketing, and YouTube is the best part of marketing, otherwise Pinterest and Twitters. Now we are create a 5 Facebook account and create Facebook page, group, or Facebook marketing. Now we are going to Facebook. Create a new account, name, enter your phone number or email address. Password, and select date of birth. And select your gender. Then I am logging to Facebook. Now I am showing how to create groups, select groups and create a new group. My group name is gift card course. Choose public. You invite your friend, but I am create now. Then upload a cover photo and post this group. Now I am showing how to create a page. Then select page and create page. Name, the same name as I provide. Course, category, gift shop, and provide a short description and create now. Now the page is open. Now I upload a cover photo and a brand photo. Now I am showing how to add your page linked in your group. Now I am going to my page and group and connect settings. Select and select your linked group in your page. Then you what types of post in your group. Now this look at this. I am posting my page, but it's show automatically my group. Look at this. Thank you everybody. Next video I will provide how to create YouTube channel and YouTube marketing. Thank you.